have Amruta Joshi with us, Managing Director, AI Solution, Google. So, ma'am, how do you think Google is supporting AI in a role that it do not harm people?
Well, responsible AI is at the core of our ethics, and in fact, it's the foundation on top of what we build for every product, for every customer, for every policy decision. We have really strong AI principles. In fact, Google was one of the first companies to come up with this way ahead of even before this whole AI hype wave started. So that is definitely the most foundational aspect of our AI policy.
And what do you think is India market for AI innovation and could be the center in future?
Absolutely. In fact, I wouldn't just call it future. Even now, we are seeing AI, India playing a big role in this transformation, not only from a talent point of view. I mean, in India, there is always this very strong tech talent, but also in terms of embracing the AI growth story in a very magical way. India has had this history of leapfrogging technologies. India never went through the laptop and desktop phase. We went straight to mobile. We never went through keyboards and typing. We went straight to voice. So AI is offering this another opportunity for us to leapfrog, and that's why I think India embracing AI in a significant way is definitely of interest to Google and most of the companies in the industry.
Sooner or later, we are having a AI summit also. So the last question is, what's your vision if you count ki AI will be in after decades? What will be its platform? How people will be taking it, and how will they use it?
I think you have to see AI more like a long-term revolution. For example, how industrial revolution changed everything about how people lived, what value technology brought into their life, to how they worked. I think right now we are still in the first wave where everybody is thinking about how do I automate something that you're doing in the same way today. But as we move into the next and future waves, we will see completely new use cases, completely new applications, completely new acceleration coming into picture. So I think all of us are in for a very exciting journey with this AI transformation.
And your advice for Gen Z people who are especially using AI like currently, what should they use? How should they use especially?
I would say AI is going to accelerate learning in a significant way, and I know Gen Z is in that sweet spot where you are at the cusp of this technological revolution as you start your careers, as you start your significant part of your life. So I would say embrace learning on AI, with AI, and enjoy the ride.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.